Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change font size on Facebook iPhone. First, go to the Facebook app. From the top, go to your profile. Refresh the page, then go to the home screen. Now, open Settings. Scroll down and click on Display and Brightness. Then click on the text size. So this is where you can make changes in font size. Then go back to the Facebook app. As you can see, the font size has been changed. Also, you can see the change font size by clicking on the profile icon here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.